Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best turkey roasting pans on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Cuisinart Stainless Rectangular Roaster with Rack. You really can't go wrong with Cuisinart cookware, and their turkey roasting pan is no exception. The pan is a large size, is made of solid and durable stainless steel, and offers handles for easy carrying. Drip-free pouring ensures your Thanksgiving prep mess is kept to a minimum, and best of all, it's dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is a breeze. Features. The Cuisinart 16-inch rectangular roaster is made with a high-performance stainless steel exterior and riveted stainless steel handles. The steel rack is large enough to handle a big Thanksgiving turkey and perfect for slow roasting root vegetables. A sturdy rack with stainless steel handles allows elevated cooking exposure for fat to drain off of food and makes removing items easy. Pan measurements: 16.8-inch length, 12.8-inch width, 3.4-inch high. Handles with rack measurement: 21.1-inch length, 12.8-inch width, 5.8-inch high. Number 2. Second best pick is Farberware Nonstick Roasting Pan. Don't want to spend a lot on a pan? You definitely don't have to, thanks to this Farberware roasting pan. Not only is it budget-friendly, but it's also high quality, it's durable, meaning it'll hold up through the years, it's super easy to clean, and easy grip handles make carrying it less cumbersome. This one is oven safe up to 450 degrees. Features. Heavy-duty steel roaster pan designed to resist warping for years of roasting performance. Roasting pan features a removable chrome-plated rack which raises meats up to allow fats to drip away. Non-stick inside and out delivers great food release with quick cleanup. Roasting pan is oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Wide, dual-riveted cast stainless steel handles on the roasting pan make it easier to remove from the oven, while wide handles on the chrome-plated rack aid in removing roasts, turkey, seafood, and more. Number 3. Third best pick is Circulon Nonstick Roasting Pan. Non-stick pans are a kitchen lifesaver, so opt for a non-stick turkey pan like this one. It means food releases easily and cleanup is effortless, in addition to offering both fast and even heating. This pan is extra large at 17 into 13 inches, and it comes in gray or brown. Features. 17-inch into 13-inch non-stick oven roaster with rack. The roaster features a convenient U-shaped rack that keeps meats off the bottom of the pan. Non-stick roasters feature heavy-duty steel construction for fast, even heat distribution. Superior non-stick technology provides excellent oven roaster food release and easy cleanup. Oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the roasting pan has superior non-stick and wide handles for a confident grip. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Granite Ware 19-inch covered oval roaster. For slow roasting and browning dishes at lower temperatures, this best-selling oval-shaped porcelain roasting pan with a carbon steel core will quickly become your new favorite cold-weather cooking tool. Reviewers love the slightly more compact, easy-to-lift oval shape of this roaster versus more traditional and sometimes clunkier rectangular models. At a super budget-friendly price point, this oval roasting pan gets our seal of approval as a solid pick for all of your holiday roasting needs. Features. Granite Ware roaster is made in Mexico. 19-inch covered oval roaster holds up to 20 pounds poultry or roast. Porcelain enamel surface is an inert, non-porous, and naturally non-stick surface. Our roasters have no PFOA, PTFE, or other harmful chemicals and are dishwasher safe. Dimension with lid on is 19 into 13.5 into 8.5 inches. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Granite Ware 3-piece set, bake, broil and amp, grill. This 3-piece bake and broil set includes a perforated tray that's ideal for roasting fish or veggies in the oven, plus a traditional rack for cooking chicken, turkey, or other savory meats. Users dig how easy this set is to clean, especially because each piece is dishwasher friendly. Features. Includes a roasting pan, 14 into 9 into 2 inches, a broiler or grill pan, 13 into 9 inches, and a grill rack, 13 into 9 inches. Porcelain enamel surface is an inert, non-porous and naturally non-stick surface. No PFOA, PTFE or other harmful chemicals and AMP is dishwasher safe. Do not use glass cooktops. Made in Mexico. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.